So we are catching sunrise. Look at us. Yani hata nimeamka tuko usingizi. I wanted to experience this. Look at it. Ona vile inanimulika jamani. There you go. Sunrise. I'm more than a happy person. The environment is really chilled. I know I have eye bags. Jalala poa. I'm going back to sleep for like 2 to 3 hours at least. Nitoa usingizi kabisa. I had set alarm niamke kama 6:15. Nilikuwa nataka ile ikitokea kabisa, but sasa nimeamka 6:30, but still nothing has been lost.